Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will share a VPN with you which is free for lifetime and does not keep any record unlike other paid VPN. It is fully open source and free to share and use as per its license. It makes use of Tor network. Open www.github.com. Search Tor wall. Open the first search result and download the binary file. Since it is an executable file, your web browser may display a small warning. Allow the download to complete. Run the downloaded installer. Go to your desktop and open the file called Tallow. It will take a while to load the configurations first time. Once complete, just click this button to activate the VPN. Now we are connected. Let us check our IP address. Open whatsmyep.com. Surf the internet anonymously and securely for lifetime without paying anything. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.